Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam games slow downloading problem. Let's fix it guys quick. Before that, so this problem is case of Steam is not just downloading guys, it's also unpacking and installing the game at the same time. Let's fix that issue guys. The simple step you want to do it, go to device manager, open it guys, and expand the disk drives, and in here locate the drive that being installed on guys. I just locate that and select properties and select policies tab, and you just want to uncheck this box guys, enable write caching on this device. You just want to uncheck it and click OK and check, and go ahead and check guys, your download speed has been increased right now, increased by step. It will be increased so much. You definitely see guys, go ahead and see it there in Steam, and give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.